I was teaching her about my culture. This is my friend Stevie.
My name is
We go to the same school,
Hi.
Mount Royal University. Yeah, so this is my brother Gandhi. And so basically that traditional stuff, like you want to explain what this is? Because I explained what my gamme and what my beautiful outfit is and what it means to me, and especially this one, Uwame Hizbe and Maninete, my identity, my constitution, and my people, and my name is Salamawit, so kind of explain that to you, but this is a male version of the traditional Tigrinya tribe. So do you want to explain or do you want me to explain it?
You can explain.
Okay, perfect. So start from the shoes. It's made of like a leather. I think I don't know what leather, but like I don't know what leather, but it's a beautiful art made.
Gorgeous.
Yes, and this is the outfit is Tigrinya obviously, and this one is like what do you guys use this for? It kind of like for flies or bags around you. I don't know, maybe. I'm not quite sure, but it's gorgeous, and they kind of use it all the
beautiful.
time. Do you want to wear it with your hat? Yeah, and this is like it's ela or a shash. Yeah, and it's like they put it in their shoulders. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that my grandfather used to